May and might. May and might are both modal auxiliary verbs in English, and they are often used to indicate possibility or probability. However, there are subtle differences in how they are used. May, possibility, she may come to the party later. Possibility that she will come, it may rain this afternoon. Possibility of rain. He may be the best candidate for the job. Possibility that he is the best candidate. Might, slighter probability, I might go for a walk after lunch. Less certain about going for a walk. They might visit us next weekend. Less certain about their visit, she might be at home right now. Slight probability of her being at home.